China 3D Tools. Welcome to our factory. You can see our factory is 1,000 square meter workforce. So we are 8 years history. So you can see we supply the PDR tools from China. Now you can come and see. So this is our feeder machine. Put all the raw material from the feeding panel and then deliver into our CNC process station. Now you can see our station is 4 axis and it's operation automatically by program. We set up the program and it will produce automatically. And the process is very fast. You can see we can make this turning item by this machine very easy every day. So you can consider our quality in your PDR business. Thank you guys.